Kurugerera ari Evans Katushabe uri komishona wa Occupational Safety and Health omwihanga omushomo ogwo gwizireho bwa nyuma yo kushanga abakozi bine obukugu buke na nebiri kukwata chemicals ezo.
26% abakozi 26% abakora mu Uganda nibo bakumanyisibwa obuvune obukusa kurugo milimo yibakora nibo bayina information about the hazards with the work that they are doing. Kikumanyisa ngo abantu bayingi mu Uganda bakola emirimu bali exposed bayichi bakimanyire.
Abakozi bashoborora ahabizibu bari kubugana omirimo yabo.
We have storage facilities, and then to our exposure with these chemicals, the limitation of what the storage facilities, what it makes us not to keep them in the right way.
Time and dangerous chemicals, in fact, it's affecting Bashomesibwa. Nichororo butuba tuli mu lab. We are sure that all the precautions twazkwata kandi twazikozesa.
Aba bashaba gavumenti okubayambaho ahanshongeze emishara hamwe no kugira abakozi batarakumara.
When they were making pay rise for scientists, as the lab assistants, those who work in school laboratories were not considered. We were given something small, and yet we are also scientists.
The government nesobora kutuyamba ito abantu abakora mu chemicals ekyo kubanza chemicals nyingi, so trainings kusobozesa abantu hamitendere tariye munemo mu labs kwetegereza kiki kyenyine kiri mu chemicals.
Abakuru bashaba abakozi ukwenyendesereza na munonga obakubano bakora emirimo yabo ahabwa amagara hamwe n'entunguka yabo.
Very important because it has a lot to do, especially with the preserving and protecting the environment. If the wastes are not properly managed, then they have a bearing on the environment. The environment of which affects all of us, both the human and any other components of the environment. It's also something that has to do with the risks at workplaces.
That the employers whom we believe have knowledge or are able to have knowledge on some of these should be able to disseminate this information to their workers, should be able to follow the laws, the regulations that the government has put in place.
Kurugerera ahari National Labour Survey eyenkomibirabirina abakozi ubucweka 30 burigana omwihanga nibakora emirimo yabo batera inzire kurungi. Amakuru aga gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki muri Fortportal.